For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The NutriBullet NBY-50100 Baby Complete Food Making System is a smart choice if you're planning to make fresh food for your baby at home using real ingredients. I've personally used this system while starting solids for my son, and it gave me confidence knowing exactly what went into his meals. No preservatives, no added salt, just wholesome food. This system lets you blend, store, and freeze food easily. It starts with a 200-watt motor base and a blending blade that handles everything from soft fruits to cooked veggies. When my baby was just starting purees, I'd steam apples and carrots, then blend them in the batch bowl in seconds. You'll get a 32-ounce batch bowl with a lid, which is perfect for prepping a few days' worth of meals. There's also a 12-ounce short cup with handles and a resealable lid, great for single-serve portions or meals on the go. I often used this when we visited family and needed a meal ready without fuss. One feature I appreciate a lot is the 6 storage cups with date ring lids. Being able to track freshness by simply turning a dial made meal planning much less stressful. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, introducing a variety of fresh foods helps expand a baby's taste preferences early on. This system supports that easily. The silicone freezer tray with lid lets you freeze small portions that you can pop out anytime. I usually make a batch of sweet potato puree, freeze them, and then store the cubes in a labeled zip bag. This helped me stay consistent with my baby's feeding schedule even on busy days. All components are made from non-toxic, BPA-free, durable plastic, which I double-checked when purchasing. They're also dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is quick. I've read in several pediatric nutrition guides that safety in baby food prep is just as important as what you feed them, and this product meets that standard. The included recipe book gives simple ideas based on baby's age. I found the avocado-banana mix from the book was an instant favorite at our home. It's creamy, rich, and nutritious. Here's what's included: 1 200-watt motor base, 1 blending blade, 1 32-ounce batch bowl with lid, 1 12-ounce short cup with handles and resealable lid, 6 storage cups with date ring lids and storage tray, 1 silicone freezer tray with lid, and 1 recipe book. This system has helped me save time, reduce food waste, and most importantly, feel confident about what my baby is eating. It's one of those things I wish I had from day one.